My name is Asiya Moskaeva, and I'm national expert in the blue economy under the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. And in the eve of the United Nations World Oceans Day, we decided to conduct the training and the workshop for the local researchers from the University of Dodoma and to introduce them the concept of the blue economy, how it is important for the Tanzanian government, how it is important for the nations, and how it is important for the country as a whole.
My name is Jerry Geoffrey Mangena. I'm the Executive Director of Aqua Farms Organization, and today we've organized the session with University of Dodoma staff from different departments on blue economy, as well as how they can use the evaluation toolkit to know the value of blue economy in terms of ecological, social, and economic aspects. The training has been organized during this week towards the World Oceans Day as a way to celebrate, but also to bring attention to the academicians and researchers on the data needs towards sustainable blue economy. We hope that through this training, the academicians and researchers who have been able to participate in this training will take the data gaps into account and start working on their research. And this is for every researcher and scientist out there. Africa and Tanzania needs a lot of information with regards to blue economy. Your research should heavily contribute towards better decision making to our policy makers for benefiting the most out of blue economy. I wish you happy World Oceans Day.
My name is Dr. Abiud Bongole from the Department of Economics, University of Dodoma. I attended this training on blue economy, and in fact I'm so interested of what has been presented today, particularly in the evaluation of the natural resources. And as we know, the blue economy, it has also the ecosystem services, which are not much considered to quantify them into monetary terms. So through this training, I learned a lot on how or methods of valuation of these natural resources, including the ecosystem services.